Saturday morning. It sprinkled pretty consistently all night. I actually had to get up at 4 a.m. and turn the generator back on, get the AC going again because it got hot. And it pretty much rained enough overnight just to keep it as wet as it was when we went to bed. They did the best job they could sealing the track, but it's still pretty muddy. But it could track up good by the end of the day if it doesn't rain anymore. But it's gonna rain more, and you know, there's not a crazy amount of bikes here. This is the first vet regional I've been to, and there's just, you don't see 60, 70, 80 bikes out on the track like you do when there's C classes. So we'll see how the track comes out. Either way, the weather's still looking good for race days tomorrow and Sunday, but I'm gonna go out there and just try not to just completely cake myself in mud, ride some outside lines and try to find some ruts and try to just memorize the layout where all these little jumps are so that I have a, you know, some kind of idea what I'm getting into when the gate drops tomorrow. So yeah, about to go out and do that now. Practice 9, vet 30 plus. Let's hit it. This little guy is going through Stasic batteries like crazy. It pains me just to go out and get this new chain and sprocket dirty, guys. First chain and sprocket lasted 30 hours, so that's just the standard Renthal Gold non-O-ring with the aluminum. Alright guys, one practice down, and let's just say it was a little bit muddy. Had to stop constantly and wipe the GoPro. Gives you an idea. There were sections of the track that were starting to tack up good already at the end of the first session. But then there was a section in the back corner that was just a swamp that just held water. So hopefully we can get out and get some better laps in. This moto, I actually forgot to install my transponder for the last practice, so I've got it on there now. I assume they're doing lap times and stuff for practice as well, but yeah, I didn't realize that they're only going through the practice sessions twice, which is kind of crazy for $35, and you only get 2 practices is kind of crazy. Usually 3 is the normal, but they claim that that's MX Sports mandated. You only go through 2 sessions, which I don't know, just seems crazy to me. But I did the math. You're paying, like, with the track as muddy as it is today, you're paying like a couple dollars a lap to practice, so whatever. All right, let's go out and see if we can get any better laps in this session. All right, guys, good news. Track was way better in session 2. It was still a little sketchy because it was like some sections were dry as a bone, some sections were perfect, and some sections were still greasy. It was interesting, but I got all the obstacles down except for one triple that I didn't plan on jumping. But most disappointing part to me is I pulled a major squid move. There was a guy in front of me clearly trying to get down the double in the back. He rolled it. I had hit it good the lap before, so I thought I had a smooth line over it. And you'll see in the video here, I got squirrely off the face, got shot to the right. Don't even know how I got over it without casing it, but our bars hit. I thought I was gonna land right on top of him. So if you watch this video, buddy, I'm very sorry. I thought I had plenty of room with you to my right, and I just got all out of whack like a tired squid out there. So it's something I got to work on, but I don't know. It's kind of disappointing to get everything all muddy and dirty, spend all this money, be here for a whole day to only get 2 sessions on the track. There was no way I was going to pay get another practice sticker for 2 more sessions. It's just like $70 for 4 sessions on the track. It's crazy. So, but what can you do? It's regionals, it's once a year. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the bike cool. I'm gonna wash that thing down, I'm gonna throw some brats on the freaking grill and relax this evening. All right, guys, riding's over today, bike's washed. Just kind of taking it easy, letting Weston ride the Stasic, and getting ready to start cooking some dinner, throwing some brats. But I want to show you guys the Air Force is here, and they have a really cool like Spec Ops side by side. I want to show it to you guys.
The 4Runner pulled this guy out with a trailer hooked to him.
That's cool. Toyota power.
Toyota 4Runner pulled.
All right, guys, so I don't know what this is, but it's some kind of Polaris. It's got a Polaris sticker on it. But it's definitely cool how they have it set up, all desert tan. The LED headlights, got the hitch on the front, shackles, bumper. It's got the camo fabric roof, shackles on the side so like they can easily lift this thing up with a helicopter or something. US government jerry cans in the back, spare wheel and tire. Super cool. Don't know what mounts here, if that was originally for the wheel and tire or what, but definitely a cool looking machine. What do you think about it, Weston? Cup holders, Check out these state-of-the-art racing harnesses. Pretty cool.
It's not like my face.
I don't think so.
And then of course they got the sweet looking wrap trailer here, and like a Ford Raptor here that matches this wrap. It's super cool looking. I'll try to get a shot of it tomorrow. Giant Monster Energy can over there. Might be the world's largest, I'm not sure. Got the Icy Shack here, and you can see who's making the real money. Check out the E-Score rig. That's who we rent the transponders from. It's 130 bucks to rent your transponder, and then you get 100 back when you turn it in. That's just a heck of a rig. I see 3 air conditioners on the top there. Somebody's getting money.